Welcome to the installation guide of the bundle pack. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna look into the animated titles pack, and this is what a folder is going to look like. So what you want to do is you're gonna select all of these, and then you're gonna right click and then copy them, and then you're simply just gonna go into where DaVinci Resolve is installed in your hard drive, and you're gonna go into Fusion and then templates, and then not into Fusion but edit here, and then you're just gonna paste these in the title section right here. I already have them, so I'm not pasting them again. And yeah, that is pretty much it for that one. It's really simple. And then here we have different these are just 720 because I wanted to make the size of these really small, but these are the preview videos that I also attach into this project right here, so that then you can just copy and paste this into your power bins. So then if you want to use any of the titles, you can just go to your power bins first and preview them if you don't remember what they look like, right? So that is pretty much how you would go about installing the animated titles pack in here. And then we have the graphic elements part, which has a bunch of different things like graphic elements, loading bars, and more stuff that will be coming soon. And then there's the preview videos for these. And what you want to do is you want to select everything here. And instead of copying these in the title section, what I did was I actually went back into edit here and I pasted these in the generators section. Reason for this is that way it's easier to find it, since you cannot really create subfolders in any of these folders that are made in the actual DaVinci Resolve folder. You can, so this way you are able to separate them and then have them sort of like a little bit more organized. And that is it for that too. Those two are really simple. For the social media lower thirds pack, what you want to do is a little bit more complicated, first of all, because of the way that it is made. But what we want to do first of all is you're gonna grab this image here, and do not change the name, because all of these macro files are directed towards finding this file in a specific folder. So what you want to do is you're just gonna right click and copy these, and then you're gonna go into a folder which is your library folder, which is not exactly in the same path that your titles are. It's more of in a shared database of your computer. So I'm gonna put the actual path of that in the description so that you can follow that, and it's gonna be in the pack too, so don't worry about that. But you want to paste it file here. I already have it here. And that way, when we copy these actual macros, which is the next step, you're just gonna copy all of these, and you can copy them also in the titles folder, same as the other one that you did. And we're just gonna bring it here, which is the folder we were previously, and we're gonna go to Fusion, templates, edit, and then titles. You're just gonna paste them here, and then you'll see them here. And then once you open DaVinci Resolve again, you will be able to see the actual titles. And then when we have this preview video here, that you can access it here also, and then you can see all the different titles and whichever you want to be select. And for finding the actual macros on this one, it's actually easier because they have specific names depending on what social media they have. But yeah, so if you do everything correctly, in that case, when you drag one of the social media lower thirds, let's do the SoundCloud one for example. When you do that, then it will automatically find the path that the image is. And if that image is not in the libraries path, you're not going to be able to see this icon here. So what happens if you're not able to find that library path? So let me just show you that right away. So to find the path of your libraries, which might have changed if your library path is not the same as the one that I showed, what you want to do is you're going to open a Fusion composition, any Fusion composition, and then you're going to go here to Fusion and then Fusion settings. Here you will click on path map, and then here you would have to find the libraries folder, and then you click here and that will open the path. And when you open that, you can copy and paste that URL that and paste the image file in there if you're not finding that. But once you do that, then you're pretty much set, and you can just drag and drop these on any project. So what you want to do is, if you want to be able to preview these, you want to copy these bundle preview folder into your Power Bins, just drag and drop there, and then you're gonna be able to access the preview window in any project that you have, and then you'll be able to access the actual names, the actual macro files with all the different titles and lower thirds without much trouble. So yeah, that is pretty much how you would go about installing the 3 different packages here in this SUALVI Elements Bundle. And yeah, hopefully soon in the future there will be more elements. I will try to update it at least once a month, maybe, until I get to a point where I feel that it's like enough for that. And yeah, I hope that you enjoy it. If you decide to support the channel by purchasing these bundle, thanks a lot, and I hope that you are able to use it. And shoot me an email if you have any questions or issues or anything like that. Just shoot me an email and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching once again. I'll see you next time.